This is DC Danton Pro Crusader. Don't have much power left on my GoPro. A little bit late. Yeah, it's very cold today, near freezing, and snow flurries. I didn't want to wait any longer. Bryant's in the hospital getting some tests done, so I'm out here playing solo. So hopefully my GoPro will protect me. Here's my little birds. Charlie did not come down tonight. Last night, even though I was here at 5:15, hopefully the seagulls will, the people will cooperate. Not the seagulls. The birds always cooperate, but the people don't. So, yeah, it's very cold, and they're very anxious, and they want something to eat. Last night, I pulled off 2 meters of poison food, same modus operandi, same type of, basically almost thrown in the same place, the same type of food, and obviously poisoned. I had to get it up at 3:30 this morning. It was very difficult. Let's see these birds. You see in the distance the giant alpha male. He's tagged, so he's documented. And there's the other who's also tagged. There's 2 today, which I'm happy to see. There are only these 2. Quite something, isn't it? It's very cold. Hopefully Charlie's waiting up there in the trees. So, I don't know if you can hear that call. That's the, now you can see the little gulls. Yeah. I put some extra things out for them today. Yeah, let's see what happens. You see, they're very hungry. I'm going to throw out some of these balls, which Charlie shows up. I have this here, this bag here, so it doesn't blow away. So let's see. Put these balls out here. The large alpha male, look at that one flying in the air right in front of me. It's awesome, isn't it? They don't do this with anybody else. They do not trust anybody else. Here's another beautiful seagull, different types. Keep promising to get the types as soon as I get around to organizing my room, my office, which should have been the first thing organized, but it's the last thing. So I have to get the house workable, apartment workable for all of us to be able to survive. There's the giant, the male. He's got one of the grain balls. Kind of gave up on it. Maybe that type is too hard. I have 2 types here. Maybe that one's a little bit too hard for him. A little bit too solid. Let's see if we get something. I don't see him right now. There he is. There he is. There he is. Looking for something. Let's put some grain down. Let's see if we can give him a piece of a ball here. He seems to be a little bit lost. Let's see if he goes after some of this grain here. Let's see if you can get a little bit of this here. I don't see him right now. Let's put down some peanuts for the crows. And some walnuts. I have to take care of the sparrows by myself today. I don't know what happened to the giant alpha male seagull. Seagulls are really hungry today. That looks like Charlie over there. That definitely looks like Charlie. I need to get him something. Hold on. Let's see if we can get Charlie something. Let's see if we can get Charlie something. Looks like Charlie left. Seagulls are just too hungry today. We'll see. There's Charlie across the street. No good. Poor Charlie. Seagulls are just too... Maybe he got some peanuts. They're really hungry today. Oh, there's a pigeon also fighting for food. We'll go up and take care of the little sparrows. Take care of the little sparrows. And we got some walnuts here. That in there. I don't know about Charlie getting anything today. Pretty tough. Pretty tough. Charlie started walking toward me, but I had to leave him. I didn't have anything to give him at that point. Yeah. Well, we'll see here. This in the other pocket. And let's go feed the sparrows. Hopefully Charlie got pretty tough. Wow. Well, it is very cold. So I'm not sure if the alpha male got anything. But it's just amazing that we'll put some grain down here for the sparrows. I gotta keep the seagulls off the street.